How to delete all watch later videos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily delete all of your watch later videos at once on YouTube. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So if you want to delete all of your watch later videos right here at once, then you'll have to download an extension from Chrome Web Store. So go ahead and tap on the extension tab here, and from here you can tap on manage extension and head over to Chrome Web Store from here. And on the search bar, you're just going to search for YT Watch Later Assist, this one right here, and add this to your browser. So just tap on add in Chrome and confirm your ad. Once you have added this, just head over to your YouTube Watch Later and refresh it. And once you do so, the extension will automatically be applied to your Watch Later list. So you can just tap and remove all videos like this, and the extension will take care of everything. Now that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.